lows in the lower 70s. Tuesday through Wednesday night, partly cloudy with a chance of The National Weather Service in Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for western Stevens County in northeastern Georgia, central Habersham County in northeastern Georgia, southwestern Rabun County in northeastern Georgia, west central Oconee County in upstate South Carolina, until 7:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:49 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 4 miles east of Clark-Catskill, moving north at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Clark-Catskill, Day Morris, Tallulah Falls, Lake Rabun, Lake Burton, Lake Mott, Tallulah Gorge State Park, Long Creek, Turnerville, and Hollywood. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or post it to X using hashtag NWSGST. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred.